Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am Azra Alam and today I'm not here just to speak. I am here to scream because silence now is equal to complicity. A Pakistani TikToker has been murdered in cold blood and instead of mourning, some people are actually celebrating. Yes, could you believe? Yeah, celebrating like it's some sick festival. Comments like Achi maut mari, ab sabak mil gaya, aur bhi marni chahiye are not just words. Trust me, these are mental weapons. Let's be very clear, you didn't just write a comment, you participated in a murder, you are supporting a killer and you are enabling the next one. And you are doing it all from behind your keyboard. तुम सिर्फ लिख नहीं रहे, तुम किसी के कत्ल को justified बना रहे हो. This isn't an opinion, this is a crime and yes, there are laws that apply here. Let me tell you. Under PPC 153A, you are inciting hatred and under PPC 5052, you are promoting violence. And under PECA Sections 11 and 20, you are committing cyber harassment and glorifying a crime. So don't fool yourself, you are not anonymous. The law sees you and so does your conscience, if there is any left. A girl is dead and you clapped. Just like you stayed silent when Noor Muqaddam was slaughtered, just like you forget about Zainab, the little girl raped and murdered. Every time we ignore this sickness, every time we laugh or scroll past, we train the next killer. We tell him, it's okay, go ahead, no one will stop you. And guess what? That's why parents today are scared to send their daughters out to study, to work, to simply live. Because this society doesn't just fear the criminal, it celebrates him. This isn't about one girl, it's about all of us. It's about a system that protects men who kill and punishes women who breathe freely. And you, yes you, typing filth online, you are part of that system. You are not a bystander, you are a cog in the murder machine. You are why we bury more daughters every year. If we don't break this mindset now, if we don't report, expose and punish these monsters online, then trust me, tomorrow's blood will be on your keyboard. So stop clapping for murder, stop raising monsters and for once start punishing the mindset before it picks up a weapon again. I am Azra Alam and this is just not a vlog. This is a call to conscience, a call to stand up for justice, for humanity and for our daughters. Thank you.